Hello friends, let me start the installation process of NX software. So I already downloaded the software and all the setups and all the files is saved in that folder. Its name is NX12 installation. After clicking that, we got these files. I am refreshing it. So for the installation, you need to click on NX 12.120, and after scrolling down you get the application name setup. Double click on there. So you get this interface. It takes some time for computizing your space that fulfilled or not, so just wait. It takes time, so just relax and sit back and wait for its response. I think it's completed, and then go next and select modify. No need to select in these, and then click on next. This is uh, all the features that you got after the installation these file. Then next, the setup is already select change save in that C program file in Siemens NX 12.0, and license just check the, these name match with your desktop name just by the clicking on there. This PC, click on right click and then go to property and check then desktop device name and its name will be need to same equal 27800 at the rate your device name. Okay, automatically it set it get your PC's name. If it not get your PC's name, you can change. Because I already installed the NX software, that's why it not giving me option for editing the name. But if you install first time, you will get these the option of changing the name of device. The 27800 at the rate is common, but you need to change these this name. Okay, then click on install. After clicking on there, You got this interface. It's computing space requirement. Again, validating install. Okay. It going long. I If it's completed, you need to click on next, 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 and after it's when after the completion of that, you get finish option. Then you can when if you click on finish, then it's automatically uh, close this option. So I am going to cancel this because it's removing some files, because I already install NX. uh, so for saving time, I cancel it and go forward for explaining. Do you want to cancel installation? Yes. Oh, actually, it's interrupted. Uh, After the clicking on next, 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 you will get two to three pop-ups. You will get these pop-ups for finishing. You will get there. The system has not been modified to install the program at the latter, but you got written on there the install completely successfully installed completely. And then I'm going to finish, and then go to NX12 and click on solid squad NX 12.0 and copy these file and paste. For the paste, go to C drive, program file, and then click on Siemens, click on NX 12.0, and all the file that you copy paste here. Replace the file, continue, yeah, you all the file is saved, and then go to this solid squad. Oh, I got forward. Where is NX installation? NX installation, launch, docs, or it's called, this is vendor license, and this is a license. You need to double click on there. This is a SPLM license server. Just click on there. You get these and click OK. Next, next. I don't know why this automatically close. And then click on OK. And choose the install folder. Next. Okay, the setup is dictated that an instance of Siemens PLM license service already running on this system. So it means your license is created. So navigate your NX. Siemens NX 12.0. Double click on there. After the installation, please restart your system because you can face some error. So our software is open. Let's check. Then okay. Because I am not restart the system, that's why it's too lagging. So the your NX is opened and now it's ready to use, and you can draw and design a model. So I am going to end this session.